take care of your equipment, and your equipment will take care of you. Forestry feeds my family. I wish every repair will be easy and simple like this one, but not always the case. We're working on John Deere Logger 2054, and we need to replace the simple part, turbo hose from the intercooler to the engine. My tools, carry it with me. I need to replace this hose. Pretty simple, from the intercooler all the way up down to the engine. 2 bolts, 17 mil. Ah, doesn't fit. I need to use a ratchet. Break them loose. Every day is different. Sometimes it's cold, sometimes it's hot, and sometimes it rains, sometimes it snows. Yep, depends from the weather, but today we're lucky, not too hot, and no rain and snow.
Looking past my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. It was supposed to be the one to take every last pain away. Nothing on our loving, maybe time told us that we were different. Did it break you down? Staring at the ceiling, fighting off a feeling. One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down, don't wanna go back to how I used to be.
And remember, take care of your equipment, and your equipment will take care of you. I think it makes sense. Yeah, let me know what was your most easiest repair ever. It'll be interesting to know to all of us. Put down in the comment section below, and stay safe. See you soon. Take care.
Told us that we were different.